Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to Solidworks course. My name is Cameron and today is our first lecture of week 1. Before starting the lecture, you can get this software, Solidworks premium software from Get Into PC. Okay, this is a website from where you can get free of cost this paid software. Here there is 2019 version, 2020 version, you can get any one of it. It's free of cost. It's about 14 GB software, so you can get from these two software. Just click on any one of it and then scroll down. From here you can get SolidWorks and also additional fixed files, and the password of zip file will be 123. Okay, now today we will start actually in SolidWorks there are three, you can say, contents of study. One is part, second is assembly, third is drawing. These are basic things that you should know. After that simulation come, but we'll do it later on. So today I will take you around these three contents of study. So for this we will draw one simple box. You can see in this pic we will draw a box and then a lid, okay, that we will put on the top of this box. So for this, first of all, when you open SolidWorks, this window will arise. So you have to click on File and New, or you can just click on New from here. This is shortcut bar and this is toolbar. So from this window we get three options: parts, assembly, drawing. From here we have to select part, double click on it. Okay, when you click on part, first of all we have to select units. Okay, that may be ISO units or ANSI or whatever units. So for this you can come here down, you can select any one of these units, or you can go to settings, and then when the setting window arises in front of you, you have to go to document properties. After that you have to click on units. From here you can select units. So we will use mmgs, millimeter gram second units. So click OK. So these units are select. So first of all we have to draw a box. For this, if you see from top, this will look like a rectangle. So first of all we have to select any plane which you want: front plane, top plane, right plane, or origin. So we will select front plane. So when you click on front plane you can select sketch from here, or you can go to sketch and click on sketch. Then we have to click on a rectangle. So there are many types of rectangle: corner rectangle, center rectangle. So it's on you. Let's suppose we are taking corner rectangle. So after drawing a rectangle, we have to give dimension, because this sketch is underdefined. We have to fully define it. So for this, you can just hold right you can say button of mouse and drag it up for dimension, or you can go here and select the smart dimensions. As we made the square, and we have to make a box from it, so we will go to feature and use extruded boss base feature. So here they are saying which sketch or plane you want to extrude, so we have to select this sketch. So after selecting this sketch, they will extrude the part automatically. That's 10 millimeter. Okay, they extrude it 10 millimeter, but we have to change the dimension to 50 millimeter. Click on OK. Now click on OK. So here we will use one feature called shelf feature, because this is solid body. We have to make it, you can say, a thin wall body. So for this we will use a shell feature or command. So first of all, we have to change the view to front view, and here we have to click on shell feature. So they want the face to which they will apply the shell command, so we will select this face. So how much, what will be the thickness of border? So for this we will say that $5 millimeter. Click on OK. So now you can see our box is ready. So this is our box. This is our box. Okay, you can see this is our box which is ready. Now we have to make a lid which we will put on it. So for this we have to first save this you can say part. So click on file, click on save, click on desktop. Let me make a folder week 1. Okay, this is our first part which is saved. So exit it and click on file, click on new, then again part. Then first of all we have to see the units. Units are same mmgs. Sometimes it changes, so we have to take a look on units. So again we have to click on sketch, click on sketch. They will ask for plane, front plane. After that we have to use a rectangle, whichever you want. Let me choose center rectangle this time, because we want to make a lid, so we have to give dimension same as was before, 50, and this was also 50. Okay, now we have to extrude it. Click on OK, go to features, first exit the sketch, or now click on extrude, then we have to change dimension to 5. Click OK. Now we have to go to sketch. We have to click on convert entities, click on this face, change the view, and here we will select center rectangle. Now we have to give dimension. Just hold right click and drag up. You can find smart dimension. We have to give 45 or 44 because there should be tolerance between the lid and the box. So 44 because 5 was thickness of box which we had given in previous part. So this is 44 and same for this 44. Click on OK. So now that's good. Now we have to click on OK and extrude it. Also 5, yeah. Click OK. Okay, our lid is now ready for putting on that box which we made. So we have to save this part also. Click on save. It's lid. Click save. Exit the sketch. Now go to file, new. We have to do assembly of this part. Double click on assembly. So a new window will appear, browsing window. They will ask for parts. So first of all we will you can say import part 1. So double click on part 1. So this is our part 1. Just put it on main user interface, and this is our part 1. So now we have to import part 2. Click on insert assembly, then insert component. Now lid. Double click. So this is our lid. So guys, here are two parts which we made. One is lid, one is box. So we have to put this lid on this box. For that we will use mate command in assembly. So first of all we have to rotate this lid. For this we have to go to assembly, then click on the drop down menu of move command, then click on rotate. So we have to rotate it. Now it's rotated. Click OK. So after that we have to use mate command. Click on mate. It's selected. Now click on the faces which will be coincident. So these two faces will be coincident. Click OK. So after that we have to parallel these faces or coincident. Click OK. Now these two faces, click OK. Now you can just move the part up. I think so it's coincident. So we have to just mate all faces. Click OK. same for this one. Click OK. Just select the coincident. Click OK. Also for this coincident, click OK. Also for this, click on coincident, OK. So guys, we put just lid on the box. Now let me show you that you can remove lid from the part, or you can put it on the part. Okay, and now our assembly is done, so we will save this on desktop in week 1. Save, exit the assembly. Now we will go to drawing. Click OK. So here we have to select A3. Click OK. So now first of all we have to browse our part or assembly. So we have to click on assembly. Don't have rebuild. So we want to use isometric view also. So create multiple views, click on isometric also, and it's default, it's okay. Okay, so just we have to click OK. Click OK. Now we have to go to insert drawing view, and then you can go to model for isometric, but we did it before it. So standard 3 views for front, back, top views, and click on the part. So these 3 views came. So basically guys, this is our side view of lid, or you can say front view of the lid. This is top view of the box. This is you can say side view of the lid, and this is the isometric view of our assembly. So if you want dimensions, so click on tools. You are just to come here, dimension, click on smart dimensions. Now auto dimensions, above left, that's good. Select it. So basically these are 3 views, and this is isometric views, and we got dimensions. There is no driving dimension. In this view you can find out every dimension of these all peaks. So this was our today's lecture. We first did parts, then we went to assembly, then we went to drawing, and in next lecture we will start from parts, and we will do each and every feature and commands. So guys, keep watching and keep learning. Thanks guys for watching.